The way you feel tomorrow depends on how you sleep tonight. Introducing MOSSLEEP, a new generation eco-friendly duvet engineered to maintain the perfect sleeping temperature and supply your skin with vitamin E. Over the last few years, MOSSLEEP has worked tirelessly with textile innovation institutes in Germany to discover the best ways to guarantee microclimate and humidity for providing that perfect sleeping comfort. We deeply care for our planet, and we're looking for new, innovative ways to keep it as green as possible. This quest for preserving Mother Nature has led to the discovery of our patented and certified phase-change material fiber technology, whose smart fiber fillings are made from sustainably grown eucalyptus trees and additive paraffin, which is refined plant oil. Paraffin is embedded into the lyocell fibers using a patented spinning process, which produces many microcomposite heat accumulators. So, how does it help in ensuring a good night's sleep? When temperature increases, the paraffins start melting, and fiber absorbs the excessive heat and accumulates it inside. When the temperature decreases, the accumulated heat is released, keeping your body warm and comfy. Yes, we assure natural temperature regulation to provide extraordinary sleep comfort and excellent microclimate conditions for your body during sleep. The outer shell fabric of our environmentally friendly lyocell fibers is made with integrated vitamin E, which acts as an antioxidant superstar, as vitamin E is well known to fight free radicals, support the moisture balance of your skin, and regenerate your skin surface. Yeah, it's like having an anti-aging beauty serum. It just can't go wrong. We give true meaning to the age-old expression, beauty sleep. Our new generation luxury duvets are now available in 4 different sizes and gray and white variant. Select from our full range of bed linen with vitamin E, along with our duvet products, which can cover every one of your sleeping needs. Starting from outer shell duvet covers to pillowcases and bed sheets. Because your body is your temple that needs the holiness of vitamin E each night. MOSSLEEP is here to transform your sleep and help you feel more awake and comfortable than ever, so that you can start your everyday full of energy and with a glowing skin. Support our technology of tomorrow to come into existence today. Because nobody understands technology more than the community of Kickstarter.